Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. In this new video, we will see easiest way to show top N and bottom N customers based on sales in single view. So I have connected two sample superstore dataset. To do this, we need to create two sets, one set for top customers and one set for bottom customers. So I will right click on customer name and create a set. So here I will give condition as top 5 or top 10 by sales. And I will give this as a top 10 customer name set. I'll click OK. Now I will create another set for bottom N. I will go to top, then by field, then I will select bottom 10 by sales. Then I will give it name as bottom 10 customer name set. I will click OK. So we need to create a combined set, like we need to display both bottom and top 10 customers in single view. So I will select bottom, then I will press Control and then I will select top 10 customer set. Then I will right click and create combined set. So top and bottom. I will select OK. So this is combined set. I will pull this here and I will select show members in set. I will cells, bring sum of cells to column and I will sort them. So these are top 10 and these are bottom 10 customers in single view. So you can see we got 20 rows. So the output we get is a correct output using this method, and it is the easiest way to show top n and bottom n in single view. So we can create dynamic sets also. So just as we had past number here, so here we can use a parameter and we can change like up to top n. So I hope you all like the videos. So please do like, share and subscribe for such informative videos. Thank you.